Hey there, my name's John Erickson. I'm more than willing to shave or grow facial hair. Let's talk about yesterday, huh?
What a win, huh?
I meant the concession stand trip.
Yeah, you said you didn't want anything.
I know. And then I changed my mind 10 seconds later and called you to say what I wanted.
Right, but you know how it is in the stadium. Hello, can hear you. Is this thing on?
You posted on social media while you were in line. Then you live streamed your order. And then you hit the group chat about how good your food was.
I, forgot you were on that group chat. Look, I'm sorry. I kind of needed both hands to hold my nachos.
Your nachos and your beer?
Exactly, and my beer. Thanks for understanding.
Want to talk about yesterday?
What a win, huh?
Win? Oh, you mean that heart-pounding drama at the concession stand?
Oh, yeah, you said you didn't want anything.
True. But my stomach had a board meeting and overruled that decision 10 seconds later. And I called you.
Right, but you know how it is in the stadium. Hello, can't hear you. Is this thing on?
Meanwhile, in the digital world, you were a social butterfly. Well, look, here's you live tweeting your snack adventure. Oh, and here's the epic saga of your nachos on the group chat.
I, forgot you were on that group chat. Look, I'm sorry. I kind of needed both hands to hold my nachos.
Sounds like a double-fisted snack dilemma to me. Your nachos and your beer?
Exactly, and my beer. Thanks for understanding.